Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix eSIM not working on iPhone. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, let's just go to our settings. Let's tap on cellular or mobile service and focus on the SIM section right here. Locate your eSIM and tap on it. And the first thing that you're going to check is to make sure that turn on this line is toggled on and enabled like this. And the first thing we can also try is to turn it off by tapping on the toggle button, click on OK, and have it back on again. This might help in restarting your eSIM. Let's go back to the previous page and back to your eSIM again. Scroll down, and on this page, make sure that data roaming is turned on. So tap on the toggle button to have it turned on and check if that solved your problem. If not, you can scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can try deleting your eSIM and go back to the previous page and add your eSIM again. Also, if you just bought it, you can try restarting your iPhone by turning it off and on again, and you might have to wait 15 minutes before it is activated. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.